guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you an install that we've done on this Mercedes C-Class W205. It has got, I'll just load this down, the steering wheel controls. What you've got now is, it's an NTG5, this one actually got them for the 4.5, 4.7 and 5.0. So this is the 4.5 we put in today. It works in through the car's USB input, so obviously you see there's the original NTG menu. As you notice, this is the large screen type one in this car today. Some cars come with the smaller screen, so obviously it'll fit that too. But just to go over into the Android Auto mode or CarPlay mode, depending on which phone you've got, you just simply hold down this back button here, and it takes you over to there. Now, for the purpose of the video, we have set up CarPlay, Android Auto today with the customer's phone, which is an Android. As you can see, this works with the command pad, which I'm just moving around, as you can see there, nice and swift. Takes you back to the home page, so obviously it brings a lot of apps to your phone. There's not much I can show you with these particular systems today, because as I say, it brings a lot of apps from your phone. It doesn't do anything like YouTube Music, YouTube or Netflix. It'll bring over YouTube Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, all them sorts of apps there, any sort of maps, Waze, TomTom there you can see, Google Maps, Fiber. There's a tune-in radio, which is your DAB radio app, WhatsApp and stuff like that. If you want to go back to the home page to set up another phone, you can simply do this part here, and this is the home page here of the actual box. So obviously, as you can see there, it's got a YouTube app. It will need a hotspot connection on that one here to make that one work, but as I say, whether you want to use that or not, this is obviously CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, which is mirror link. It's got a USB connection on it. You can link up a reverse camera to it, aftermarket or original. The original rear camera will work with this today. I can't show you because I'm in the passenger seat. But if I want to go back up to the Android Auto, just go to this one here, click that one, and it takes you back onto the Android Auto there. Okay, so I'll just keep it short today, guys. Only a couple of minutes this video there, because I say there's not much to show in regards to that. But as I say, we've got them for all types of cars: Audis, BMWs, Mercedes, Peugeots, Citroens, Porsches, Volkswagens, all that. Just check our website out, www.iceboxauto.com, or check the details down below in the description for our contact details or website to click on. And you have a nice day. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.